We make more out of wood. That is the federal state North Rhine-Westphalia's motto, and it is here at the Ligna with a joint stand. Here with me is Martin Schwarz from Wald und Holz NRW. Mr. Schwarz, why again a stand together? North Rhine-Westphalia has a strong wood sector, and we have many small and medium-sized companies that produce many innovations which we have brought together to the large international Ligna trade fair at our joint stand here in Hanover. And how many companies are there this year? This time we are here again with 19 partners and have a diverse range of products: GNSS solutions, forest climate protection, innovative timber construction, and of course energy from wood. Then let's just pick a few companies as an example, but first we will go on a virtual drive through the forest. The company Topcon deals with mobile data collection. Here with me is Stefan Naumann, business manager for the GNSS product area. GNSS in forestry, Mr. Naumann, why? GNSS navigation using satellite data is used in forestry in many ways, for biotopic mapping, defining borders in private forests, and for the whole of the forestry setup. The combination with a mobile field enables one to collect all attributes that we have in the forestry sector. So that is the slightly more mobile version. What can this large version next to us do? The device is slightly more complex. It is also used for mobile data collection, but for mass data collection. It is widely used for collecting information on the state of the paths, whether trucks can use them, what kind of state the paths are in, and also for light and profile data collection. Mr. Naumann, thank you for that information. A further area in the NRW common stand is filter technology, and that is what we are going to have a look at now. We are now at the company Schräder Abgastechnik, exhaust technology. Mr. Baird, what products have you got on offer and for whom? Schräder Abgastechnik is a leading producer in the chimney sector. We have been on the market in chimney technology for many decades and offer chimney systems for the private building sector as well as for the industry. 8 years ago, we started to develop fine dust filters and exhaust heat exchangers. In the meantime, the systems have now been tested and licensed. Here you can see a fine dust filter for private homes, for chimney ovens up to 25 kilowatt furnace performance. Due to the new regulation that will be valid in 2 years, several private homes will face the problem that their ovens will no longer be permitted. So, with this, there is a solution available for the fine dust issue. So this is a system for private use, and what a system like that for large companies can look like, that is what we are going to show you now. Behind us you can see a large system for large demands. How is it set up? This is our newest development, the filter box. It is a system that charges the fine dust electrostatically. The fine dust then is reduced thereby by 90%. The system can be used for up to 800 kilowatt furnace performance. Thank you for that information. That and much more, dear viewers, is what you can see at the NRW joint stand, which has already actually been visited by top politicians. Here with me is the North Rhine-Westphalian Agricultural and Environmental Minister Johannes Remmel. Mr. Remmel, at the Ligna 2013 you presented a study on the topic of forest and climate protection in NRW. What is the study's most important result? The study's core statement is that climate protection is possible and also in future necessary together with wood and forestry. And it is especially important to gain material use out of wood and to drive that further, not to burn everything immediately, but to fill it into a cascade of utilization, to a circle of uses, to keep it in use for as long as possible. There is a huge store available that we have not discovered to the full yet. Thank you for your time. That was North Rhine-Westphalian's Minister for Agriculture, Johannes Remmel, at the Ligna 2013.